breaking updates coming in. The Vice President has made a big statement on conversions, calling conversions antithetical to Constitution, saying we must neutralize such sinister forces. Listen in to what he said.
और वो बहुत खतरनाक संकेत है। वो देश की राजनीति को भी बदलाव करने वाला है। नीतिगत तरीके से हो रहा है, संस्थागत तरीके से हो रहा है, सुनियोजित षड्यंत्र के तहत हो रहा है, और वो है धर्म परिवर्तन। सुगर कोटेड फिलोसफी इज बीइंग सोल्ड। कहां जाते हैं? They go to vulnerable sections of society. हमारे ट्राइबल लोगों के अंदर ज्यादा इंकर्शन करते हैं, लालच देते हैं। मेरी दृढ़ मान्यता है, we are witnessing very painfully religious conversion in a structured manner as a policy, and this is antithetical to our values and constitutional premises. आवश्यकता है, there is need, और अविलंब आवश्यकता है, तीव्र गति से काम करने की आवश्यकता है to neutralize such sinister forces and pernicious designs. हमें सचेत रहना पड़ेगा, हमें तीव्र गति से काम करना पड़ेगा। भारत को खंडित करने के लिए जो लोग आज सक्रिय हैं, उनका आप अंदाजा नहीं लगा सकते। मैं सामने जब देखता हूं राष्ट्रवाद, राष्ट्रभक्ति, पड़ोसी देश में कुछ होता है और एक व्यक्ति जो संवैधानिक पद पर रहा, केंद्र में मंत्री रहा, वकालत के पेशे में वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता है, एक नैरेटिव चलाता है, ये भारत में भी हो सकता है।
Let's go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, the Vice President making a big statement on conversions, which is likely to trigger a lot of political reactions. Where was this statement made? What are the details?
Well, it's in fact, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar was speaking at a program, and you see, the statement he made is very, very important. He basically stated that religious conversion is unethical to the Constitution and its principle. He said that sugar-coated policy is being used to lure people from the vulnerable community. He also stated that the tribal community is being targeted by vested interest. They are being lured and they are being converted, which is very, very dangerous for the country, and we need to keep a vigil. We need to be very, very careful. Now, this statement comes at a time when it comes to the BJP too. They have been raising these questions that how the tribals are being converted in the state of Jharkhand. They have talked about the Santal area. We have seen Home Minister Amit Shah going to Jharkhand and speaking about this particular election, this particular issue in these elections, and this has been the main plank of the BJP in the Jharkhand election. Now that Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has spoken on the similar lines, where he has spoken about the religious conversion, he also stated that Sanatana is very powerful, it's a way of life, and he has praised Sanatan Dharma, but he has also stated that religious conversion, the forceful conversion, luring somebody to change their religion is something which is unethical. And we know for a fact that how at various instances courts have also stated that luring somebody with gifts, with something in return to change their religion is something which is very, very serious. So clearly he also went on to say that this is also very, very dangerous for the country. Now, coming to the political part of it, surely we'll expect the opposition parties, the India bloc will come out and they will question the statement that is being made by Jagdeep Dhankar, given the fact that how they might also come out and say that he's sitting on a constitutional post and such statements should not be made. But the point that he raised is also very, very important. He has stated that religious conversion is unethical. People from the sensitive backgrounds, vulnerable communities, specifically the tribal community, are being lured and they are being subjected to conversion, which is a matter of grave concern. So we have to wait and watch how exactly the opposition parties will react to this. Back to you, Pratibha.
All right. Thank you for joining us with those details, Mohit. Remember, just yesterday, Hemant Soren had also spoken about demographic change. So a lot of reactions expected on that. The Vice President going on to say Sanatan never spreads poison. We're keeping a close track of the reactions that come in. For now, quick break. We'll be right back to stay with us.